Welcome to the future of presentations. In this video, I will show you how Microsoft PowerPoint Copilot can transform your ideas into stunning slides in just minutes. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or corporate executive, this tool will blow your mind. Copilot is an AI-powered assistant built into Microsoft PowerPoint. It uses natural language processing to turn your prompts into fully designed presentations. Imagine typing, create a presentations on sustainable materials. Copilot drafts the slides, adds visuals, and even animations instantly.
To create your first presentation, you can create it by clicking on the Copilot icon at the top. Over here, you can create a presentation by adding a prompt. Today, we are going to create a presentation about team icebreaker activities. By doing that, Copilot is actually generating a presentation flow for us. And you can see that the flow of presentation is as follows. Now, you can rearrange this manually, or otherwise, you can also rewrite your prompt. Like for instance, you want to add a slide on for the benefits of icebreaker activities. Once you have done so, then you will see that the benefits of icebreaker activities is added into your presentation flow. After doing that, you can actually click on generate slides. What Copilot will do is it will create the slides for you and design it accordingly. It will take some time. And as you can see here, this is going to be my flow of the slides. And you can actually choose to keep it or generate it later. This is the presentation for you, and you can choose to keep it. So by doing that, then I would be able to see that this is my slide, and I can actually still edit them accordingly. So if I'm not happy about this, I can still auto rewrite it or make it professional. In case you have a long presentation like this, what you can do is you can instruct Copilot to summarize this presentation for you. So you do not have to read the entire presentation yourself. Other than that, you can also ask questions and interact with it. Like in this case, I'm going to ask Copilot, what is the key value proposition? In this case, Copilot will provide a summary for you. If you want to generate additional slides, what you can do is you can add a slide on audit and assurance services. And Copilot will perform the necessary task for you. There you can see, this is your new slide that is generated by Microsoft Copilot, and you can still edit it according to your preferences. If you don't like it, you can still change this by asking Copilot to do it for you. So for instance, if you think that this is not good, you can instruct Copilot to regenerate this particular slide. So you can also copy this and paste it into your presentation. And with some alignments, you have a good presentation already. If you would like to reorganize your presentation flow, you can instruct Copilot to reorganize my presentation flow. What Copilot will do is it will reassess for you and to revisit your presentation slides.
Are you ready to revolutionize your workflow? Try Microsoft PowerPoint Copilot today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI powered productivity hacks. Bye bye.